climb to the top of a waterfall over 50 meters high, descend through the waterfall in extreme tourism, a campfire in an enchanted magical forest. In the old road to the sea, and only an hour and a half from Cali, is El Queremal, town of Dagua and epicenter of the most incredible ecotourism trips in Colombia. Remember this name because it will be the core of the most incredible natural journeys that you will have and experience in these chapters. Leaving from El Queremal, it takes you 10 minutes by car in the direction of La Elsa village to reach one of the most epic and magical places in Valle del Cauca, the Los Caleños waterfall, as the natives of the place call it. It is a natural waterfall of more than 50 meters high, which you can not only observe from its base, but also do trekking and reach its highest point, and then descend in tourism with ropes and safety equipment. Does it sound extreme? It is. An exciting experience that will connect you with the power of nature. The afternoon falls in El Queremal, and a few minutes from its central square, you can spend the night in a magical place, in a place where, according to legends, dreams come true, in the Forest of Wishes. The aroma of more than 800 eucalyptus trees in the cold night, the heat of a bonfire with dry branches, definitely a sensation that leaves you speechless. This is pure, natural magic, rediscovering our Valle del Cauca.